is up, internet? It is Brittany, and I am here today to bring you a video that I am a little bit late on with the trend, and that is going to be bleach dyeing or tie dyeing clothes. But specifically in this video, we will be bleach dyeing. So we're going to be utilizing what you already have in your home, which is amazing because honestly, people don't have tie dye kits at their house. So what we are going to be doing is taking an old pair of sweatpants, which this is an older pair of Fruit of the Loom because I just rebought some on, it was either Depop or Poshmark. It was in my online thrifting video. So these are an old pair. We stitched up a hole in them, and then I have this old black Forever 21 tank top that I'm going to attempt to crop and make a little bleach dyed set. So if you are interested in seeing how this all turns out, stay tuned. All you're going to need is that sweatsuit, bleach, trusty hair ties, and a spray bottle that's going to be half water, which I already put in there, and half bleach. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it and see how it all turns out. So let's get going. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we are just going to pretty much tie up the pants how I want it, and then we are going to spray the bleach water mix and let that sit for a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and probably time lapse through all of that. And I didn't really look up the best way to do it because I wanted to just do a random pattern, so hopefully that turns out okay. A little smudge there. Smudge. There. Dun, dun, dun. And again, what I really like about this is that everyone has bleach at their house, and probably everyone has an old pair of sweatpants, so you really don't have to buy anything to do this project. And again, we're upcycling, so we're decreasing the waste, because honestly I've seen a lot of pairs of these bleach dyed or tie-dyed sweatpants for $30–40, and this is a much better way to save money and upcycle something into something new. The card went by. And honestly, I don't know if you're supposed to do this if you're just dipping it, but I'm going to do a spray bleach and we'll just see how it goes. Again, these pants were already in bad shape, so I think they can only get better. A couple more hair ties. Let's do them up here. And I think because I'm doing a spray bleach instead of a dip, it's okay if it's not perfect. But this is the product right now. Beautiful, beautiful. Looks like a little octopus spider creature. Maybe I'll use this last hair tie by tying it. Beautiful day in the night. Okay, so next we are just going to spray bleach it and then let it sit. I think I saw for 8 to 10 minutes online when I just googled it, the first thing that came up. So I'm gonna do a view of just bleaching it. I'm gonna do it on top of this cardboard. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me now. Drum blows, yeah, I got the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the drum blows, yeah. It's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. So we are gonna give that about 10 minutes and then see how it goes, and I'm gonna go start to work on the tank top. All right then. So we have this drying over here for a second, and then I'm just working through cutting this tank top to make it cropped. And I'm not doing a very good job of it, but we'll see how it goes.
Blasting playpen in the daytime, goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut-tut, no worries. Please get back.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna untie these. I think you untie them and then wash it. So let's see. Ooh, okay.
It's in Bootsville teenage ground, running from pub to club like bloodhounds, from 10 till 6 a.m.
So it looks like this right now. Can you get that? Ooh. And then over on this side. So cool. Amazing. And I will catch you. I'm gonna wash these both when that one dries, and then I will model the finished track so we can see how it looks.
Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly. Let's get girly. With a hangover till 10 p.m. I'll say I'll never go again. Tut-tut, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries. Please get back early.
Okay, now it is time for the final reveal, and the sweatpants came out a lot better than the tank top, and I'm not sure if it was because of the material or if I did something more incorrect with the tank top, because I did end up adding hair ties to it. I had forgot to do it at first, but I don't really think that made a difference. It's just the color wasn't fading like the sweatpants did either, but the tank top is also a super thin material. So here goes nothing.
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking.
Thank you all for watching, and I hope you go try and bleach dye your stuff as well. And if you do, tag me in any of your photos. I'll have all my socials and everything linked on the screen or in the description or both. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you have a beautiful day. Stay wonderful, stay safe, stay you, stay true, stay loving, stay making the world a better place. Goodbye.
She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this outer smile, you'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her feature.